Hi, I'm Aisha, you are watching Educational Hub. Today the topic is how to convert PDF file to MS Word. When you convert a PDF to a DOCX or doc file, you can make changes to the file as needed. Let's start. First, right-click the PDF you want to open. If you're using a Mac and don't have a right mouse button, press Ctrl as you click the file. This will open a context menu. Secondly, select Open With. It's near the top of the menu. Another menu will expand. Then, click Word or Microsoft Word on the menu. This opens Word and attempts to display the PDF. Now, click OK to convert the file. Word will convert the file to its own format and display the results. If you're converting a larger file, it can take a few minutes to complete. OK, now, edit the Word document. The converted document may not have perfect page-to-page correspondence due to line and page breaks, graphics, and other detail. Making manual adjustments may be necessary. Now, save the converted PDF. Once you're ready to save the converted file as its own Word document, do the following. Windows, click File. Click Save As. Click this PC. Enter a file name. Select a save location on the left side of the window, and click Save. Mac. Click File. Click Save As. Enter a name. Select a file location, and click Save. Go to Google Docs in your computer's web browser. This will open your Google Docs page if you are logged into your Google account. If you are not logged in, enter your email address and password when prompted. You may first have to click Go to Google Docs in the middle of the page. Now, click the Upload tab. It's at the top of the Open a File window. OK, right. Click Select a file from your device. It is the blue button in the center of the window. OK, now, select your PDF file and click Open. This uploads the PDF file to your Google Drive and opens a preview once it has finished uploading. Then, click the Open With menu. It is at the top center part of the window. If you don't see the Open With drop-down box, move your mouse to the top of the window. OK, click Google Docs on the menu. This opens the PDF in Google Docs. If you do not see Google Docs as an option in the drop-down menu, you can add it. Click Connect More Apps in the drop-down menu, search for Google Docs, and install to get it. Finally, save the PDF as a Word document. Now that you've opened the document in Docs, you can save it as a Microsoft Word file and download it to your computer. Here's how. Click File in the upper left side of the Google Docs page, select Download, click Microsoft Word, DOCX, as the format, select a save location and/or click Save if prompted. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.